Hey guys, I'm back with another video, and I think this is the first time you guys see me with my hair up. I know it's a little weird. It's like I'm a different person because I don't have my curls out, and it's just like I'm missing part of like me, like where it's like half of me or something. So like yeah, I don't have my hair down today, but I have a very exciting video. I will be reviewing and showing you guys this new box that is pretty awesome. As you can see from the title of the video, you probably already know what it is, and if you've never heard of it, then keep on watching. And also make sure to subscribe if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, and let's go ahead and continue the video. So this is the box, and this is from Pinchme.com. As you can see, the logo here is a heart, and it has like little icons of different items, like household items and candy and a muffin for like food. Okay, so how this works is 100% free, no credit card required. So you're gonna go to the link that I have here. I'll put it down below just in case, and I'll also put it down in the description box so you guys can click on that and sign up. So you click on that, then you're gonna fill out a survey, and this is pretty much a survey about yourself. That way they get to know you a little bit better. And then the next day is the sample. I guess you pick the samples that you'd like, and then you can go ahead on their website, pick out the samples. Once you receive those samples, you go ahead and pretty much give them a little review of what you like, what you didn't like, and pretty much your opinion. I haven't tried any of the items here in this box. All right, so the first item that I see here is our vasoya. So this is a leave-in moisturizer. It says it's a premium hair treatment that deeply hydrates, conditions, and transforms your hair. Oh, so I'm actually really excited to try this out. I've never heard of this brand. It says it's a hydrating argan hair mask. I don't see any prices. So yep, so this is supposed to give your hair a silky texture, repairs damaged hair. I do a lot of like highlighting, so this is definitely gonna come in handy. So I'm very excited to try this out. One is thinkin protein and probiotics, and it's a plant-based powder mix. Ooh, and it's vanilla flavor. So this is vegan. I'm so excited to try this out too because I've been working out and I've been trying to like eat cleaner and like not eat McDonald's and like pizza and things like that, and I've also been starting to work out. So I actually take probiotics already from the brand Ollie, so I'm excited to try this out because it has both protein and probiotics. So you just like take it all in one, and then you mix this with cold water, which is also awesome. If you don't have like a blender or anything like that, you just put this in water and you're good to go. I can't wait. The next product, I've had these before and I don't like them, but I've never tried this one before, this specific flavor. So this is the RX bar, and these are like gluten-free, soy-free, and dairy-free, and you can see what they're made out of. So this one has 3 egg whites, 14 peanuts, 2 dates, no BS. I love that. And this one on the bottom, you can see it's peanut butter flavor. So I'm actually gonna try this. This is what it looks like. So it's not like a little sample, it's a full size. So it's not bad, but it's literally like stuck to my teeth. What I don't like about this is that it has dates, so I'm really not liking it. But if you like protein bars, you definitely should try these, and they come in a lot of different flavors. I know because I've purchased them before. So yeah, it's okay. I'm gonna have a little bit of water. On to the next product. The next product we have here is from Sugru, and it's a moldable glue, family safe, skin friendly formula. So this is what the packaging looks like. It's like a little envelope here, Sugru. And so you open it up. It says if it's broken, fix it. If it's not broken, improve it. I like that. It gives you like a full-on instruction of how to use it and how it works. And I believe this comes in different colors. So this one is blue, and it also comes with a little coupon for you to save 20% on your next purchase. So that's cool. So you can pretty much use this on glass, metal, and use it to stick things. So that's cool. I like that. I'm probably gonna give this to my dad. I feel like he would find a use for this because he's pretty handy. So a laundry whitening sheet, and this is from Carbona, and it's a new product. So I've never seen this before. It says a new way to whiten. So it's first ever whitening sheet, safe bleach formula, and it's literally a sheet with no smell. They sent 2 sheets. So you put the sheet in the washer with your white clothes and that's it. That's awesome. I love that. Can they make these for colored clothes too? Like, I have no idea, but this is super cool. It also comes with a save $1 coupon, so you can save if you do want to purchase these. This is awesome. Like, I love that you can try new products and you don't have to pay for it, and if you like it then you go purchase it and you get a coupon. Like, how awesome is that? This one is from Blue Diamond Almonds. So these are the mini nut thins. Almond and rice cracker snacks with a hint of sea salt. 90 calories. These are so good. Oh my god. I would literally dip this in hummus and it would be like amazing. They're also wheat and gluten free, so actually I'm gonna look for these. There's no coupon for this one though, but they're really good. And then we have another product, and this is from Kashi. It's the chocolate almond sea salt chewy granola bar. It says new and improved. Okay, and last but not least, we have this big box here. So I'm guessing this is retail or full size. And it's a Dr. Sheffield's extra whitening toothpaste, fluoride free. Oh, how perfect is this? I've been all about like taking care of myself this year. I could use a little more whitening. No synthetic detergents, no artificial colors, no artificial sweeteners, no animal testing, non-GMO, all this good stuff. It is empty now, but how cool is this? I love that. I love that I can try new products for free. All I have to do is like leave a little review and opinion about the product. I'm down. I like it. And then you can also enter like giveaways that they have on their website, so that's fun. Again, everything is free, even shipping, so you don't have to pay for anything. I mean, like, why not sign up for it? And then you get like free things every month. Like, how fun is that? And then it's like some of the items are new that you've never even tried before, like these nut thins that I'm like going crazy about. They're so good, like literally so good. So I thought it was cool to share this with you guys. And again, if you aren't subscribed, make sure to click that subscribe button down below, and I will see you guys on my next. Bye.